Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Carly Hallis reporting in Washington, D.C., where earlier today, December 18th, 1944, the U.S. Supreme Court upheld the conviction of Fred Korematsu, an American of Japanese descent, for having violated an exclusion order requiring him to submit to forced relocation during World War II. More than 2 years ago, February 19, 1942, 2 months after the attack on Pearl Harbor, President Roosevelt issued Executive Order 9066, authorizing the Secretary of War to declare an area as a military zone, clearing the way for Japanese-American relocation. Korematsu remained in San Luendo, California, a military area contrary to the Civilian Exclusion Order No. 34 that directed after May 9, 1942, all persons of Japanese ancestry should be relocated from the area. 23-year-old Fred Korematsu was arrested May 30th for failing to follow this order. Oral arguments of mistrial have been held since October 11th of this year, but in the 6-3 ruling issued today on December 18, 1944, the court upheld Korematsu's conviction in Korematsu v. United States. Writing for the majority, Justice Black stated, "Compulsory exclusion of large groups of citizens from their homes, except under circumstances of direst emergency and peril, is inconsistent with our basic governmental institutions. But, under the conditions of modern warfare, our shores are threatened by hostile forces. The power to protect must commensurate with threatened danger." Korematsu lost today in his attempt to test the legality of Japanese-American internment. This is Carly Hallis signing out.